Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you are selling physical products where Squarespace in 2026, setting up shipping rates correctly is critical, both for customer trust and your profit margins. So shipping is in Squarespace is configured globally, then applied automatically at checkout. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to set up shipping rates in Squarespace in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, open the shipping settings. Okay, so log into Squarespace, open your website, go to website, tap it, and then you have to find shipping. So this is the control center of all shipping rules. Okay, so choose where you ship. Click add shipping zone, common zones like domestic, international, specific countries or regions. Example, Europe, United States, worldwide. Zones decide where you ship. Okay, so choose a shipping rate type. So inside the shipping zone, click add rate. Squarespace offers flat rate. So this is the most common, one fixed price, simple and predictable. Example, standard shipping $5. We have weight-based rates. This is recommended, uses product weight, fairer for customers. Okay, example, from 0 to 1 kilo equals $5. From 1 to 5 kilos, $10. So requires product weight to be set. Okay, you have order total based rate too. So based on the cart's value, for example, orders under $50 to $7, orders over $50 equals free shipping. Okay, so this is great for increasing order value. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.